Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a smooth and neat way to achieve an ombre box braid. So this will give you a smooth blend and a smooth transition from the dark hair color to the light hair color you're going to be using for the ombre. So with that said, I'm going to go straight into the video. Okay, so once you braid to the point where you want to add the colored hair, you want to go ahead and grab it. So the hair you're going to be adding, you want to make sure it's a small piece of hair. You don't want to add too big, like a big size of hair. You don't want to do that. So you take a small piece of hair and then you want to go ahead and grab, okay, hold on. So take a small piece of hair, go ahead and place it. Hold on, go ahead and place it just like that, making sure to take the strand on top, the piece on top, just take it out of the way so that way you can see what you're working with, just like I did in this video. So I took the top piece and cross it over to the other side so that way I can place the colored hair in place. So after placing the colored hair in place, right now I'm going back to take the black hair color and bring it back to the original position. So now I'm taking the colored hair and I'm crossing it over to the other side just to get it out of the way while I work with the rest of the hair. Just like that. So you want to make sure to secure it in place. Okay, so next you want to go ahead and start braiding the hair. So just like that, cross it over just the way you would usually do a box braid. So right here, what you want to do, you want to take the colored hair and twist it under the dark hair. Hold on, just like that. Just take it and twist it, just tuck it under the dark hair, so that will help to hide it, and also that will help to ensure you have the smooth blend. So for the colored piece on top, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to show you in a second. So just make sure you have a firm grip first before we move on to the next step. Okay, so for the top one, the colored hair on top, so before bringing it back, just pull it a little bit upward, so that will also help to ensure that the hair is tucked in between the dark hair, just like that, and then bring it back and continue braiding. Hold on. Yeah, just bring it back like that and continue braiding. And then before you add the second piece of hair, you want to braid a little bit down. Okay, I'm going to show you in the next clip. And just like that, and you have a beautiful, nice and blend ombre looking hair. Okay, so right now I'm going ahead to add in the second piece of hair, also making sure the hair I'm working with is small, working with a small piece of hair, also doing the same thing. Place the colored hair in place. So what you want to do, you want to take that and twist it under the dark hair color just to hide it, to make sure you have the smooth blend and the smooth transition. So next you want to go ahead and take the colored hair, pull it a little bit upward to help tuck the colored hair in between the dark hair, and then you want to go ahead and bring it back and continue braiding. So you can use this technique to extend the length of your braid, just making sure to use a small piece of hair. You don't want to go in with a big piece of hair. That will show where you add the hair, even if you're using the same hair color to extend the length of the hair. If you're using a piece of hair that is bigger, that is section you are working with, you're definitely going to notice the spots where you add the hair. So by working with a little piece of hair, help to ensure you have a smooth blend and a smooth transition from the dark hair color to the light hair color. So just continue doing that until you are satisfied with the length of your braid. Okay, guys, this is the end result of the ombre box braid and all braid cornrows. So I hope you find this technique helpful. I hope this technique help you in creating your own ombre box braid with a smooth transition from color, I'm sorry, from dark hair color to the light hair color. If you follow this technique the right way, trust me, your hair is gonna come out looking amazing. Just make sure not to use a hair piece that is bigger than the one you are working with. Always use a small piece of hair anytime you're trying to extend the length of your braid or trying to make an ombre tip. So you always want to use a small piece of hair to achieve the goal you are going for. All right, guys, this is the end result. I really hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in my next one.